yummy stir-fry fish cake with onion. Let's start. So today I'm a bit excited and cook too much, I think. It's very easy side dish that will go very well with your hot rice and other main dishes. It's easy, yummy and not expensive. So you only need fish cake, onion, garlic, soya sauce, honey, cooking wine, or you can use sake or mirin, and sesame oil and pepper. So let's start. So that is my very yummy stir-fry fish cake with onion. Hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye bye.